Paano kung ikaw ay isang former natural-born Filipino citizen at gusto mong mag-settle for good sa Pilipinas pero ayaw mong mag-dual citizen? May ibang option pa ba? We'll talk about that after this. Hello everyone, kumusta po kayo? I hope na okay pa rin po kayo. If you think that this channel can be of help in providing you with information that you need or you may need, please do consider subscribing to it simply by clicking on that red subscribe button down below. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell icon so that you will get notified of our future videos. Maraming salamat po. I understand that it is quite difficult for some former Filipinos who have lost their Philippine citizenship by naturalization in a foreign country to decide whether or not to apply for Philippine dual citizenship under RA 9225. Based on the comments posted on our previous videos, there are different views on this matter, and there is a substantial number of those who expressed their views who are saying that they are not comfortable with the idea of dual citizenship, while others have their own reasons why they want to reacquire their Philippine citizenship and thereby become dual citizens. Kung tutuusin naman din po kasi napakaseryoso din itong decision na dapat namang pag-isipan ng maigi. You really have to weigh the pros and cons. By the way, I would like to thank you all for your comments. I appreciate all your efforts and contributions. This time, nais ko pong i-address yung mga questions posted by Miss Virginia Fox. Her first question is, does a dual citizen going home for good need to buy a round-trip ticket if she has a certification and her US passport already? The answer is no. A Philippine dual citizen is not required to have a round-trip ticket or a return ticket. If you are a Philippine dual citizen, you are entitled or you have the right to live and stay in the Philippines for as long as you want, just like any other citizen of the Philippines. A round-trip ticket or return ticket requirement presupposes na kailangan yung lumabas ng Pilipinas after a certain period of time dahil limited lang ang panahon ng pamamalagi ninyo sa Pilipinas. That does not apply to a Philippine dual citizen. The requirement of a return ticket applies to foreigners who enter the Philippines either visa-free or on the strength of a temporary resident visa or visitor's visa. But for a foreigner who is a former Filipino citizen and who is considered as a balikbayan under the Philippine Balikbayan program, including the foreign spouse and children, they can enter the Philippines visa-free and no return ticket is required. We already discussed that sa video po na to. Sana po ay panoorin ninyo. Now, her second question is, can a US senior citizen go home to spend her lifetime, meaning to die and be buried in her hometown if she dies without going into dual citizenship? Again, becoming a dual citizen is just an option. If you do not want to become a dual citizen for one reason or another, but you desire to live permanently in the Philippines and to spend the rest of your life there and to be buried there on your demise, then you might want to consider applying for a 13G visa. Section 13G of the Philippine Immigration Act as amended states, a natural-born citizen of the Philippines who has been naturalized in a foreign country and is returning to the Philippines for permanent residence, including his spouse and minor unmarried children, shall be considered a non-quota immigrant for purpose of entering the Philippines. Sino ba ang qualified para sa visa na to? According to the Bureau of Immigration, the applicant should be previously a natural-born citizen of the Philippines, a naturalized citizen of a foreign country, and intends to return to the Philippines for permanent residence. If you are interested to learn more about this option, particularly on the requirements and the process, I will put the link on the description box of this video. But please do consider that if you simply intend to stay in the Philippines for a year or two at a time and to spend the other year or two in the other country, then you might just want to exercise the privilege under the Balikbayan program. Because former Filipinos are among those considered as Balikbayans under the Balikbayan program who can enter the Philippines visa-free, and they can stay in the Philippines for 1 year, which can also be extended. I hope that you have learned something from our discussion. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell icon so that you will get notified of our future videos. Always remember, ignorance of the law excuses no one from compliance therewith. I will see you in my next video. Ingat po kayo.